She's your dog.
My baby.
Yeah.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning! Kumakain na ako. Dapat iinom ako ng maraming tubig kasi parang nakulangan ako sa tubig. Nafe-feel ko yung ulo ko is tumoyok. So, yon, tumoyak-toyak. Inom tayo ng maraming tubig. Nakainom ako kagabi, 2. Pero this morning parang nakulangan, look. 2. Good morning po. And today is Saturday and we are going to pick up mother-in-law sa dialysis. After dialysis natin siya i-pick up and then dalhin natin siya dito. Andito siya sa office ni Tami matutulog. Bedroom man talaga ito, guys, pero nagpadala kami ng oxygen. Hopefully hindi siya mahirapang huminga kasi ako lang dito and takot ako, yes. Okay naman dito tulugan. Yan. Alis ako dito 5 kasi I think labas siya doon mga almost 6, mga 5:45. Plus, I have to stop to get some gas because yung sasakyan ko is very low na talaga ng gas. Ayaw ko namang magtulak. Magtulak at walang mag-drive. Anyway, andito tayo sa taas. Bumalik tayo sa filming room. Pasensya, hold on, guys. Kasi itong laptop ko is palagi na nalolorbert. Magre-ready ako later on para kunin si Bianan. Ay, ginoo ko, guys. Yung kilikili ko, guys, kumakati dahil yung buhok is tumutubo. And maghanap tayo ng mga old videos. Ang gagawin ko today, kasi nakapag-upload na tayo ng video, ang gagawin ko is yung mga old videos namin ni Tami, kaming dalawa, ganon-ganon. Maghanap tayo ng mga clips na pwedeng kukunin, and then kukunin ko siya and then i-put together yung kaming dalawa, and then magagawa tayo ng music video, okay? Music video cover siya, pero hindi ako yung kakanta. Meron akong kukunin kanta sa YouTube and then i-credit ko na lang siya, yung ganun ba, para hindi tayo makapiright. Ito lang yung suot ko pang bahay, guys. Anuhin man lang. Tinawagan ako ng sister-in-law ko na tinawagan ako niya na dapat andun ako early. Kaloka talaga itong buhay nito. Anyway, so it's time check. It is 2:14. Sabi pa niya dapat andun ako 4:30. Let's see. And I still need to get gas. So probably I will leave here like 4 o'clock. Alis ako dito 4 o'clock. And I have to stop a gas and then drive there. And yun, it's 2 o'clock and I don't have lunch yet. I don't have lunch because iring nagakos ditong dapita lagi. Itong upuan na to, lagyan ko ng cellophane and material. Kasi yung biyanan ko, hindi ko na-explain, pero yeah. May mga accident, may mga pangyayari na hindi inakala, lumalabas lang, ganun. Anyway, so yun, tapos na rin akong nag-edit ng video, guys, and I collected some video of me and Tami, and then I hope you guys like that video, yung my music cover. So yun, so in-upload ko lang siya kasi gusto ko. Obviously, I love the movie Pretty Woman. So yun yung theme song ng Pretty Woman, Must Have in Love. So yun siya.
2,000 years later.
Kararating lang namin, guys. Okay, guys, ibigay ko lang to sa kanya. Pagkain niya. Kakain na rin ako. Kain tayo. Who eat din? Did you eat your din? Did you? You guys eat? Good girl. Good girls. Look. Let's go get some boonsy treaties. Anyway, guys, so pinakain ko si Bianan. Bigyan natin siya ng medisina niya para iinumin. Pero bago yan, siya. Sabihin ko sa kanya, dapat inumin niya yung tablitas para hatagan ako at bigyan ko siyang ng matamis. Yun kasi yung paborito niya. Yung tummy ko, tumawag na. Kumakain siya ng dessert. Para naman masaya yung tiyan. Masaya yung tiyan ni Bianart. Magbihis lang ako, guys. And also, mag-change. O mag-wash ng mukha kasi. Naglagay ako ng foundation today. So, kailangan kong burahin. And then, pagkatapos nito, pagkatapos niyang kumain, anuhin ko. Papuntahon ko siya sa CR. And then, wala nang hangin itong bed. Anyway, hello guys. Pasensya na. Pinatulog ko si Bianan. Pinapunta ko sa CR. Nilinis ko. And hindi na ako nag-vlog kasama siya kasi pagod siya, guys. Every time na may dialysis, after dialysis talaga, si Bianan knockout. Hindi na ako nag-vlog kasi pagod siya. So, naintindihan ko yun kasi knockout si Bianan. Ay, kawaw. Ay, kawaw. At saka kanina pala, na late kami. 4:30 daw yung labas niya. And then, ang nangyayari, hindi kami nakalabas ng 5 something na talaga kami nakalabas, guys, as in late. Tumawag ng kapatid ni Tami. Ay, si Tami.
Yeah.
Hi.
Mom.
I
A couple minutes.
tucked mom
What?
in the bedroom.
You did what in the bedroom?
I tucked her in already.
Oh, okay. Is she really tired?
Yeah, I said I bring her to the bathroom, I clean her up. Anyway, guys, I'm going to end this vlog. Because yeah, I need to go downstairs. Houses keep crying. And yeah, I will see you tomorrow. Anyway, guys, good night. Thank you guys so much for watching. And yeah, so Tommy will call me later. And yung kapatid ni Tommy, tatawagan din daw ako niya mamaya.
Thousands of tears later.
Yes, good morning. Good morning, guys. Ginawa ko. Today is Sunday. And happy Sunday, everyone. Good morning. Ano ng oras? 10 something na. And somebody want to come in. Do you want to come up? Do you want to come up too? Do you want to come up? Kita ninyo yung picture na yan? Yun yung time na Tommy and I don't know kung sabi ko na ba. Yun yung time na Tommy at ako, unang picture namin. Yung una talaga namin kita. So, yun siya. Yung unang pagkikita namin is yun. 24 pa ako niyan. At si Tommy is, I think, 48, 49. I think 48. Nag-49 siya September kasi yan pagkikita namin. Ano yan? I think August. Yeah, I think August yan. And then September is his birthday. So, 49 siya. 48 siya niyan. Ako, 24. Ang bata ko pa. At saka si Tommy. Ang bata pa rin. Anyway. Guys, late na kami nag-vlog, guys. Tutulog kasi kami. Relax, relax. Let's go out. Come. Bukas, guys, magkakat kami ni Tommy ng damo. Kasi tumaas na, oh. Patay doon. Okay dito. Tulog na tulog si Bianan, pagod. Kahapon pa yan pagod. So, andun siya nakaupo. Nakaupo kami sa couch, dalawa. And siya natutulog lang. This time talaga, guys, hindi talaga nag-change yung mga dahon na yung talagang change na change. Hindi talaga. I mean, nag-change naman siya. Pero hindi katulad ng ibang year na sobrang colorful, ganun. Doon din, oh. Iba kasi, sabi pa nila, kaya daw ganito this year. Dahil, wala masyadong ulan. This last summer, walang masyadong ulan. Ano lang siya, init na mainit talaga, kaya dry yung mga, Hi, little boy. Hi, baby bug. No, don't bother your brother. Do you remember who she is? Do you remember who she is? Her name? Do you remember her name? Okay. Misty and Roxy.
Audition. Thought you were gonna offer me the part. Why would you think that? Well, I was Dr. Drake from Laura.
She's your dog.
That's my baby.
Yeah.
Everybody has to audition. You know, Terry, I don't really need.
Have you got pictures of him?
I got my own cable.
A lot. Yeah, video. A lot. What is it, Roxy? You're jealous?
I can see maybe you're pretty special, huh?
Misty.
There in your fancy small.
Now, your nose in the table.
Making stars jump through hoops for you, huh?
No,
Misty, no.
no.
We're just watching Friends.
Girl, she rocked it.
Friends lang yung pinapanood namin, guys.
Yeah.
I guess I should have been good at noticing stuff on my resume.
Come on.
I'm guessing you hired somebody.
That's it.
Lutuan ko lang si Biana ng chicken yan siya. And then, lagyan ng onion. And then, itong corn, ang gagawin ko sa corn is, kunin ko siya sa cob. Kukunin ko lang siya. And then, yung rice. And then, lutuin natin sila dito. Konting salt lang. And pepper yun. Masarap siya. Ipa-fry natin sila. This is your dinner. Okay, Ma. What's your dinner? Well, you don't eat. So this is spinach, chicken, rice, and pork. It's mixed. Okay? But this is spinach. Stay there.
Kim and I just got into the biggest fight. She just was going so crazy. She's sending me the meanest text messages. You would die. She's like, you're the biggest, most grateful bitch. And I said, God,